Ano sa New Year?
Yabangan ko sa New Year.
Tatalon ba tayo?
Tatamad ka na Ay, effective pa yun.
Ay, opo, tatalon po tayo.
So habang nag-uusap tayong lahat, ayan, okay, lapit mo na
Alright.
bro. Let's take a big group selfie. I don't know whatever you call it, but let's be facing here. Tapos kayo so we can see everybody in the photo, okay? Okay, dito tayo harap.
Alright.
Nanghiram lang ako ng cellphone, so
Selfie,
kailangan
selfie.
natin. Okay, selfie! In 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year! Sa picture lang. Picture lang, syempre. Picture lang. So, eto, we only have 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So, you Flame, is there anything you want to say? Ira?
Gusto po namin magpasalamat sa mainit na pagtanggap po sa New Flame and also to Okada. Maraming salamat po for having us here. At sana po, in 2025, patupad na natin mga pangarap natin.
Anyone else who want to say something?
Actually, we're very honored po to be part of this event. Kaya maraming salamat po. At talaga namang nag-enjoy kami tonight. At nakapaghandog po kami ng performances para po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan.
Sana po na-enjoy nyo.
Of course!
And sana makita po namin kayo ulit next time.
Ay! Diba? I was saying kanina, Darren and Jonah, na sabi nila, pagka kung sino yung kasama nyo ng New Year's Eve, yun yung makakasama mo ng buong taon.
Wow.
So, tayo ulit. Yeah! Let's go! At kasama kayong lahat! But before anything else, sino na naka-visit sa ating Christmas Village, Christmas Market, and syempre meron tayong live show running until January 5. So pwede kayo mag-stay dito hanggang January 5. Joke. But you can go back, right? Okay.
Yes.
So ano ulit yung ating official hashtag pagka nag-post kayo ng pictures and photos online? Pictures, photos, and videos online? Hashtag Okada NYE. You are so good. We only have a minute and 18 seconds left. So siguraduhin ninyo na yung mga katabi nyo ay mataas and positive ang energy.
Yes.
Dahil sabay-sabay tayong magtatalunan at magsisigawan. Make sure also to message your loved ones na away from you guys. Kasi syempre kung sino-sino lang yung mga nandito. Okay, smile,
Yeah.
smile for the picture. Smile everyone.
Grabe, 53 seconds na lang po, New Year na!
Tapos yung huling song natin for 2024, Bang Bang.
Yes.
I love that.